Welcome back, YouTube. Free Friday right here. Subscribe today, subscribe over there, subscribe over here, subscribe everywhere. Welcome back to Free Friday. Today, we're going to be checking out this backing track from CCD Sessions, right? These guys have been putting out incredible backing tracks forever. They just reached their 8,000 subscriber mark, and they really deserve 80,000. These are some of the best blues backing tracks on the web. So today we're going to be looking at this one. They gave us a sort of modern, real Uptown Chicago funky thing, the kind of thing that you would see, you know, Billy Branch or Coco Taylor back in the day doing James Cotton Band from the 70s and 80s. This kind of stuff right here. It's real Uptown, very James Brown influence, very funk influence. But let's take a listen to the backing track right now. Now we're going to be playing it on a C harmonica in third position. I'm going to give you the little lick that they do, but I'm going to also give you some ideas of what the guitar player is doing and what you can do over this in third position. Even as a basic beginning third position player, don't worry, there's plenty of stuff that you're going to be able to do on this. I'll give you one lick that you can play over the whole thing, right? So let's take a listen to the backing track right here. Here we go. Are you ready? One and floor split, 3/6. Back to 1 and 4 draw. Here comes a 2/5 draw. Alright, so let's learn the first part of the song, that slick lick. We'll learn it first in the top octave. So I'm going to start at 6 draw to 7 blow. 6 blow to 6 draw. 5 draw to 6 blow, then 5 draw, 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw. One more time. In tempo. There's the lick right there. So now we're going to learn that same lick, but learn it down in the bottom octave. It's a really good idea when we're learning stuff to learn it in 1, 2, or 3 octaves. This way, if the guitar player or piano player is playing it in 1 octave, you can play it a little bit below and it'll give it a bigger sound, all right? So we're going to start on 3 double bend, go up to 4 blow. Then 2 draw, up to 3 double bend. And then 2 double bend up to 2 draw, and then 2 double bend, 1 draw, 1 blow, 1 draw. Again. And then just speed it up. Here's our tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 blow at the very end. Now, if you can't do that right now because it's too many bends and it's too hard to hit that 3 double bend, don't worry about it. You got it up top with no bends. Be patient with yourself. Give yourself time. It's a slick lick. It's fast. It's hard. But it's fancy, and people are going to dig it if you do it. Play exactly what the band is playing in the bottom octave. Now, learning what the band is doing is going to really help me to have cool ideas of what I want to do when I'm improvising. It also allows me to play with my volume down a nice rhythm part behind another soloist or even a singer. So let's go back and learn exactly what the band is doing as best I can tell. Second octave. Cool. Now we got what the band is doing. So that's some fun stuff to vamp. Now, I could learn that up in the top octave too. That was tough. That took me a few times to get, y'all. I edited out the times I messed it up. So anyway, look, I promised you a lick. Let's just use 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 draw. Just those 3 notes, right? Here we go. Meow. Little 6 blow. Again. Same notes, bottom octave. Hey. 1 and 4 split. That's not dandruff, it's bleach from my hair. 3-6 split. 1 and 4. 2-5 up to 3-6. Blue scale. Second position. Again. Hey. Just that lick. Nah. Just stays on the one here. Hey, a little groovy, a little sloppy. Hey, it's Wednesday. Thank you all so much. It's Friday for you, but it's Wednesday for me. Ba-ba-da-bump. Bow. Yeah, that's what's up. Blues backing track, right? Chicago blues backing track. Broke and Hungry in the key of D. MCCD sessions. Thank you for the inspiration for this week's Free Friday. Little Uptown, Chicago funk blues. James Brown influenced, right? That's what it is, and that's what we learned. We learned that in third position on the 4 chord, we can play cross harp. So if I know my blues scale in third, and I know it in second, I can just switch to second position on that chord. Or I can just stay in the D blues scale, third position. Right? Just stay there the whole time, right? Either way. Anyway. Yay! Free Friday every single Friday. It's absolutely free. It's totally free. You don't have to pay anything. Might have to listen to an ad for 45 seconds. So I guess it would cost you 45 seconds of your time. But it doesn't cost any money. And I'm blessed. I'm blessed to have you guys watching. And I want to thank you very, very much for all of the loyal patronage. Speaking of patronage, Patreon. If you dig what I'm putting down and you want to support me, you want to say, hey Jay, not only do I not mind seeing the ads, but I'd like to give you a little bit of money so that you keep going. Like maybe $5 a month, right? That's what it is, $5 a month. You hop on over to Patreon, right? Right there. Hop on over to Patreon, linked below too, and sign up. And what you get is a couple of extra videos a month, mostly blogs, mostly me talking about stuff behind the scenes, like the flat tire blowout we had. Sometimes a little lesson, sometimes some stuff on life, sometimes some of the gossip, harmonica beefs, and stuff. I'll be doing one on what happened a couple weeks ago. Yeah, man, little behind the scenes, get to know me better. What can I not say on YouTube? Well, a lot. And I say it over there on Patreon, and I appreciate the Patreon patrons. You can also support my sponsors, Lone Wolf Blues Company, right? They make my pedals, my microphones right there, and they support Mooncat. They give me stuff to play, and I play it, and I tell them how it sounds, and sometimes we make it better, and that's what it is. And it's an American company right out of Louisiana. Harp Gear Amplifiers. It's a Brian Purdy, I think, is in town. I don't know why he hadn't called me. Harp gear amplifiers, right there. Blue Moon harmonicas. What did I play today? I played a Blue Moon harmonica. This is a Hohner crossover with special 20 covers and a phenolic resin comb. Barely made that one. Blue Moon, Hohner. Hohner harmonicas makes the harmonicas that Tom messes with. Hohner. Yeah, Hohner harmonicas. Pedal pad, pedal boards right there. That big thing right there. That's what you see on the road. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Yeah, man. That's what it is. So, Patreon, Blue Moon. Harp gear amplifiers, Hohner harmonicas, pedal pad, pedal boards. That's it. That's all of it. And you are the one supporting me. Even by just watching this, hitting the subscribe button, checking me out, leaving a comment, hitting the like button. All of that does a lot. Thank you. And God bless you and everyone that looks like you. Yeah. Let's go home. Little golden melody action.